Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment if you feel the need. And don't forget to click the bell notification. Anytime I go live, you'll be notified where I critique other people's cooking videos. All right. For today, we have a Maker's Mark burger. First thing we got to do is make the Maker's Mark barbecue sauce. To a pot, as you can see, I have added 2 cups of ketchup. And we're going to start off with our spices. A little bit of salt. Again, watch the salt because ketchup is quite salty. Freshly ground black pepper in abundance. Roughly about a tablespoon and a half of onion powder. And then a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we want about a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. And then we want a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. And then we want a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Or Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce it. We'll just do it like we live in Boston. Worcester sauce. And then we want about a tablespoon of liquid smoke. All right, then we want to add a 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. And then we want to have 3/4 cup of bourbon. Any bourbon will work. I just went with Maker's Mark, hence the name of the video. Then just want to grab a little spatula and mix everything together. Then over a medium heat, I decided to give up with a spatula and grab myself a whisk. And over about, again, a medium heat, you're going to want to simmer this for at least 1 hour. I think I went closer to 90 minutes. Again, it's just how thin or thick you want your sauce. But do remember, the barbecue sauce, once it's off the heat, will thicken up. So, like I said, I think I went about 90 minutes, but at least an hour. Okay, let's make burgers. Oh, before I go, last thing about the sauce is it'll keep for about 2 weeks in a jar in the fridge. Okay, as you can see here, I've got some 1/3 pound patties. And they'll take about 3 minutes aside, give or take. Again, I'm not a big believer in the only flip burgers once. Flip them as many damn times as you want. But roughly about 3-4 minutes aside. Season with salt and pepper. And let the griddle over medium-high heat do its thing. And once the burger is fully cooked, time to melt some American cheese on it. I think that's the best cheese for burgers. So, yeah, give this a minute, maybe 2. Splash a little water, create a little steam. It should be good to go. All right, we got our nicely toasted bun. Some shreddis on the bottom. Again, that protects the bottom bun from getting soggy. Our nice 1/3 pound patty. Then some nice thinly sliced red onions. And then a nice squirt of that Maker's Mark barbecue sauce that we made. Then get a little mayo on the top bun. And yeah, I kind of broke one of my own rules with this because we're pretty much done. Just pop the top bun on top. And that's that. I know. I decided not to go with pickles for this one. I know. Hang me in the comments. But anyway, that's Maker's Mark. That's a Maker's Mark burger. And it's done.